In this video, I'll walk you through the latest Amazon brand storefront updates and show you how to set up your own store and share expert strategies to maximize conversions. First, let's start with the latest update on Amazon storefront. Now we have enhanced storefront customization. That means more flexible templates and better branding options. Then SEO optimization, we have now improved keyword usage for better discoverability. And the third one is advanced analytics and insights. Deeper data on visitors' behavior, traffic sources, and conversions. Then we have better mobile experience for faster loading time and smoother the navigation, which is a must for today's TikTok-driven world. Lastly, we have sponsored brand ad integration. Storefronts now perform even better as ad destinations. Now, imagine your shoppers are landing directly to this page. You don't have to worry about your competitors. Here, all products are yours. Can you see the fields for all text? You can also leverage them as well and get a stronger SEO. Do sponsored brand ads work for storefronts? Historically, sponsored brand ads haven't performed well when driving traffic to storefronts. Well, experts recommend sending ads to individual listing. We don't have yet enough data to guess that new storefront perform better. But you can always send external traffic into your brand store from social media, or you can do influencer marketing and send the traffic to your brand store. That could be a good idea for some cases. One cool feature of the storefront is the ability to add videos. We highly recommend doing the same for your Amazon listings, A+ content, and brand store. Now, step-by-step guide to setting up your store. Step 1. Access the Store Builder tool. Navigate to the Stores tab in Seller Center, select your brand, then click Create Store or Manage Stores. Step 2. Choose a template or customize your layout. Amazon's new customizable templates allow you more creative freedom. For large catalog, grid-based layout work best. And for niche products, use marquee banners with storytelling elements. Step 3 is add pages and structure your store. Many brands only create one-page store, but that's not ideal. A single-page storefront is better than nothing, but a multi-page storefront with better collections, category pages, and seasonal deals is ideal. Step 4. Upload high-quality visuals and optimized contents. Use high-resolution lifestyle shots optimized for mobile. Show product in use with eye contact whenever possible. Add videos for product demos and brand storytelling. Now for the SEO, incorporate keywords naturally in headlines and descriptions. Step 5. Add optimized product listings. Feature bestsellers, seasonal, or strategic products at the top. Ensure ASINs are linked correctly and check out for the stockout issues or mismatched product images. Step 6. Test, preview, and publish. Click every asset to ensure proper linking and design. Use the new preview tool to check desktop and mobile views, then submit the approval. It will usually take 1 to 3 days. You can schedule your storefront updates for seasonal promotions like Valentine's Day, Black Friday, and Prime Day. If I search on Google with the store name, the Amazon storefront link comes at the top. So, do you optimize your store to rank higher and leverage it fully? First of all, optimize for search both for Amazon and Google. Use long-tail keywords in the headlines and descriptions. The meta description for your storefront is one of the most important SEO elements, so make sure it's optimized. Then leverage store insights and analytics. Use Amazon's analytics to track traffic sources, engagements, and conversion rates. Then keep your store fresh with seasonal updates. Schedule storefront updates for major sales events. Create special bundle pages for promotions. Lastly, run sponsored brand ads to drive traffic. Instead of linking ads to your single product, direct them to your storefront. Amazon data shows storefront ads get higher engagement, though they've got higher echoes in the past. Now, why every brand needs an Amazon store? Because your Amazon storefront is your personal space. It's a fully customizable landing page optimized for mobile, SEO, and ads. Got questions? Drop a comment or you can schedule a call with Ecomclips. You can send a mail to info@ecomclips.com. And that's all for today. Please like and subscribe to this channel and thanks for watching.